this one in well, but we just got a new Dave's Hot Chicken in town. So I want to see what the Reaper edition, how it compares to Chuck's Hot Chicken. Their hottest. This just looks nasty. But we'll take a bite of it, see what I think of it. Thanksgiving, so I don't think I'm going to ruin my turkey dinner, but let's see how hot it is. Oh yeah. I don't know. Oh, there's that Reaper. This is a hell of a lot hotter than the hottest. Oh, yeah, it is. Never mind, I lied. Let's try one bite. Let's let it burn for a second, see how it does. It's hot. My face is red, but I gotta say, it's hot. Even though it's hot, I'm fucking hurting. I don't think it's as hot as Chuck's. I mean, Chuck's made me fucking cry instantly, but wasn't bad until you got that Reaper powder that just looks like that nasty, super hot. But this is more, this is weird. It's all over mouth burn, really none on the tongue, really none in the back of the throat. So I don't know if they just calling it Reaper, like Grim Reaper. I have to figure out what the actual ingredients are, but that's better than I thought. Thanks for stopping by, hanging out.